Can we see this commercial property rightly in Ikeja, Opebi? This here is a commercial property for rent in Opebi, Lagos, Nigeria. This property is in a very good location. The location is very, very central, highly visible. As you can see, we have a lot of space here that can take up to 20 cars. Yes. Very serene environment here in Opebi. We all know Opebi is a mixed use of residential and commercial. And here we have a commercial property for rent here. This property can serve different purposes. It can serve as an headquarter for your company or a branch for your company. It can serve as an hospital. Church can rent it. So many use of this property. This commercial property is a rare find right now. It's a very, very rare find. So if you're seeing this, it means that you need a commercial property for rent. And this one is in the best location for you. It's in the right location. Let's check around. Let's see the space of this property. Very spacious. Okay, let's check it. Entrance. This is the entrance. So we are going to see the compound. After seeing the compound, before we go inside. So this is the security house here. It's like a fountain to beautify this place for you when you're renting for your company or for your businesses, when you want to rent and also rent out to other people. So it's also good for storage. If you have this commercial property is a property that is good for multiple industry that are in business to make money. There is no how your office will be here and you will not be highly visible. People will not locate you. You are in Ikeja. Ikeja is a place of commerce.
So you want to buy a house, you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia.
Queen of real estate,
Yeah,
the best land and property.
yeah,
Queen of real estate,
yeah.
the best land and property. In Ireland,
In a
mainland, little land,
oh yeah.
in Ireland, mainland, little land.
Oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia.
This is the garage. To park your car as the chairman, as the boss, as the MD, as the person in charge of the company. See, we have a lot of space. This place is very spacious. Very, very spacious. So this is water. Water. Very spacious. So you can see that. See how the walkway. So
You want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia.
So literally, you can have like 20 cars. You can have cars for your staff, cars for visitors, cars for customers. You can just partition it that this place is majorly for staff, another place is majorly for clients, for customers coming in for business. See how spacious. Very serene environment. The environment is too serene, too quiet to calm. So this commercial property is just newly, juicely out in the market. Very rare to find for rent. Let me leave it. Just so this is space.
Queen of real estate, the best land and property.
Down
Queen
there.
of real estate, the best land and
But take more than 20 course, have you?
in Island, Thailand, little London, oh yeah, in Island, Thailand.
So if you're looking to rent this commercial property, the minimum years to rent it is from 2 to 5 years upward. You can decide to rent for 10 years, 15 years. And this property, when you rent it, you will be doing some renovation, because if you look closely, when we go inside, you see that the space is very very big. We have about altogether 10 rooms or more, I guess, aside the kitchen. The kitchen is very spacious and a lot of work has to be done in the kitchen. So this is it. This is the sitting room, very spacious, very spacious. We have about 2 sitting rooms. Yes, 2 sitting room, then 3 family lounge, 4 rooms or 5 rooms, a boys quarter, then we have welcome center inside as well. We have minibar. This is a minibar. The house is very big. There are some rooms we couldn't even enter because the place is very big. So it's a property that is going to be sublease. Is it sublease? Yes, that's going to be rented out to an individual, a company, a corporate firm, for hospital. You want to use it for diverse commercial purpose, you can rent it. When you think of commercial, you think of this property. So if you're looking to rent it, it's available for now. This location is something, this is a new lease that just came out, and the more people see it, the more is off the market. So if you're seeing it now and you're interested in it, or you have someone who may be interested in it, you can quickly share it to the person, share it to the firm, let them know that there's a property that is available for rent. Minimum years is 2 years. Then you can rent above. You can do 5 years, 4 years, 10 years and above. The owner is very much available. So if you want to see the owner, you want to discuss with the owner, that's fine. So the yearly rent is 30 million naira, slightly negotiable. 30 million naira, slightly negotiable, because of the renovation that you'll be doing. So give me a call if you want to see this house, if you're interested. Like I said, this house needs some touch-up, renovation, and the minimum years to rent it is 2 years upward, from 2 years upward. 30 million naira per year for a year. So if you're renting for 2 years, it will be like 60 million naira, though it's slightly negotiable. And please, only those that are interested should please contact us. If you are really interested in renting this massive house, please, only interested renters, let me use the word renters, please. And also kindly watch to the end of this video, so you'll see how massive the house is, and every corner of the house that you need to see before making your decision. The house is very big. If you don't watch to the end, you may not understand how massive, how big, how spacious this house is. Please give us a call. Kindly follow us for more details about different properties, information on different properties and location, real estate tips and deals as well. Follow us for more real estate deals. Thank you.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia.
Queen of real estate, yeah, best land and property, yeah. Queen of real estate, yeah, best land and property, in Island, Thailand. little land, oh yeah. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia. So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia.
Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property, yeah. Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia. So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia.
Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property, yeah. Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia. So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia.
Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property, yeah. Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia. So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia.
Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property, yeah. Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah. In Island, mainland, little land, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia, 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 contact Madame Cecilia. So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia,